A hunting knife is a vital tool for outdoorsmen, designed with specific features to aid in field dressing game and various campsite tasks. Featuring a sturdy blade with a sharp edge, these knives offer durability and precision for skinning, slicing, and processing game meat. Often crafted from high-carbon steel or stainless steel, they come in various designs, including fixed or folding blades, catering to the diverse needs of hunters and outdoor enthusiasts during their expeditions. I'd included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 8. Morakniv Bushcraft Carbon represents a pinnacle in outdoor utility knives, designed to excel in demanding wilderness scenarios. With a 4.3-inch high-carbon steel blade boasting exceptional sharpness and durability, this Scandinavian-made knife effortlessly tackles various outdoor tasks, from wood carving to bushcrafting and survival situations. Its ergonomic handle, made of high-friction rubber, ensures a secure grip even in wet conditions, enhancing control and comfort during extended use. The Bushcraft Carbon's robust construction includes a Scandi grind, making it easy to sharpen and maintain the blade's edge while displaying superior slicing and carving capabilities. Renowned for its reliability and performance, this knife stands as a reliable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists, embodying Morakniv's legacy of crafting dependable tools for wilderness adventures. Number 7. Gerber Gator Fixed Blade Knife embodies a fusion of rugged durability and ergonomic design, engineered to excel in various outdoor tasks. Boasting a 4-inch fine-edge blade constructed from high-carbon stainless steel, this knife maintains sharpness and resilience through rigorous use. Its hallmark feature lies in the unique Gator grip handle, crafted with a rubberized texture for a comfortable, non-slip grip in wet or challenging conditions. The full tang construction enhances the knife's strength and stability, while the built-in finger guard ensures added safety during intense cutting or chopping tasks. With a sturdy nylon sheath offering convenient carry options, the Gerber Gator stands as a versatile and reliable tool, ready to tackle camping, hunting, and survival needs with efficiency and precision. Number 6. Bushcraft's 110 Folding Hunter remains an iconic symbol of craftsmanship and reliability in the world of folding knives. Renowned for its timeless design and robust construction, this knife features a 3.75-inch clip-point blade crafted from 420 HC stainless steel, delivering exceptional edge retention and durability. Its classic wooden handle, adorned with brass bolsters, exudes elegance while offering a comfortable grip and a sense of tradition. The Folding Hunter's hallmark is its sturdy lockback mechanism, ensuring secure blade deployment and stability during use. This versatile knife, with its included genuine leather sheath for easy carry, serves as a steadfast companion for hunting, camping, and everyday tasks, epitomizing Bushcraft's legacy of quality, functionality, and enduring appeal. Number 5. Benchmade The Meatcrafter stands out as a premium tool designed specifically for culinary enthusiasts and professional chefs alike. This specialized knife features a long, slender 14-inch blade made from CPM 154 steel, known for its exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade's impressive length and fine-tuned design enable precise slicing and trimming of meat with utmost control and efficiency. The comfortable Hunter G10 handle ensures a secure grip, enhancing the knife's maneuverability during prolonged use. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Meatcrafter embodies Benchmade's commitment to delivering top-notch performance and precision in the kitchen, setting a high standard for culinary knives in terms of functionality, durability, and craftsmanship. Number 4. Gerber Exo-Mod Snap-Together Hunting Knife Kit redefines versatility and adaptability in outdoor tools. This innovative kit comprises various interchangeable components that snap together effortlessly, allowing users to customize their knife based on specific hunting or outdoor needs. Featuring a 3.25-inch fine-edge blade crafted from 7-tier 17 mauve stainless steel, this versatile knife adapts to different tasks, while the snap-together system facilitates quick and secure changes between blade options, including a drop point, boning, and utility blades. With a comfortable rubberized handle providing a solid grip, the kit also includes a sheath accommodating all blade options, ensuring convenient and safe carry. Gerber's Exo-Mod kit revolutionizes the hunting knife paradigm, offering adaptability, functionality, and convenience to outdoor enthusiasts and hunters seeking versatility in their tools. Number 3. Uncle Henry 182U Elk Hunter Knife embodies classic craftsmanship and reliability, making it a cherished tool among hunting aficionados. Featuring a 4-inch drop-point blade forged from high-carbon stainless steel, this knife excels in field dressing, skinning, and various hunting tasks. Its full tang construction, coupled with a genuine stag handle, not only enhances durability, but also provides a comfortable and secure grip, offering precise control during use. The brass guard and pommel complement the knife's traditional aesthetic while ensuring stability and balance. With a leather sheath for safe storage and carry, the Elk Hunter knife represents the enduring legacy of Uncle Henry's dedication to producing dependable and timeless hunting knives cherished by outdoor enthusiasts for generations. Number 2. Gerber Randy Newberg Exchangeable Blade System Innovative Field Dressing Knife redefines field dressing knives with its innovative design and adaptability. This system features a versatile handle that accommodates multiple blade options, allowing hunters to swiftly switch between blades based on specific dressing requirements. The 4.0-inch drop-point blade, constructed from high-quality stainless steel, offers exceptional durability and sharpness for various field dressing tasks. With an emphasis on ease of use, the tool's handle incorporates a secure lock mechanism to ensure the blades remain firmly in place during use. The included sheath facilitates safe storage and quick access to the blades while on the hunt. Gerber's collaboration with Randy Newberg yields a pioneering field dressing knife system that prioritizes functionality, convenience, and efficiency, catering to the diverse needs of hunters in the field. Number 1. Old Timer 152 OTL Sharp Finger Hunting Bushcraft Knife is a testament to timeless craftsmanship and reliability, serving as a cherished tool among outdoor enthusiasts. This knife features a 3.3-inch clip-point blade forged from robust high-carbon stainless steel, ideal for hunting, bushcrafting, and various outdoor tasks. Its full tang construction ensures durability and stability, while the classic socket handle crafted from Delrin offers a comfortable and secure grip, allowing for precise control during use. The brass guard adds to the knife's traditional aesthetic while enhancing safety and balance. With a sturdy leather sheath for convenient carry and protection, the sharp finger knife embodies old-timers' commitment to producing dependable and enduring tools that have been valued by outdoorsmen for generations.